Today, people are thinking more about what they buy and where it comes from. 7 Farms makes it easy to make good choices. 7 Farms features products that are certified organic, gluten-free, non-GMO, vegan, or fair trade. It is easy to get creative and put together delicious, satisfying, and healthy meals with 7 Farms. See for yourself with this great recipe for a peanut butter and strawberry breakfast smoothie. 7 Farms is another brand brought to you by Federated Foods. Who'd have thought something as simple as a smoothie could be so satisfying? When you start with the best ingredients, you can make something that's nutritious, tastes great, and lets you really feel good about your choices. It's a delicious way to get the nutrition that you need, and this recipe is also gluten and dairy-free. Here are the ingredients. So, we are starting off this smoothie with some 7 Farms quick rolled oats. These are just a great source of fiber, a good carbohydrate, and they're gonna really keep you going all day long. I've got a half a cup of oats in here, and I'm gonna pulse it just a few times in the blender, just until they're finely ground. All right. Next, we're gonna add 1.5 cups of 7 Farms almond milk, a delicious alternative if you're avoiding dairy. For a little extra protein, and because it tastes great, I've got a good tablespoon of 7 Farms creamy peanut butter. Yes. And also a tablespoon of 7 Farms honey. All right. Now, for my favorite part, these 7 Farms frozen strawberries. A great fresh taste that you can get all year round, and they're a great source of vitamin C. I'm gonna put about 2 cups in here. All right, now blend it all together. All right, this recipe is also enough for 2 servings, so you can share it. There it is. A delicious gluten-free, dairy-free treat that's packed with nutrition. For a copy of this recipe, visit 7farms.com. 7 Farms is another brand brought to you by Federated Foods.